Now, all of you, please be ready. Be ready, okay, all of you. Now we are going to talk about the questions, okay, which are related to height. Suppose this is the height of the building and this is the height of the house, small house, okay, and this is the distance between the house and the building. So please follow me, all of you. Let's say AB is the house and CD is a building, top building. Now, from the top of the house, the angle of elevation of top of the building is found to be, let's say, 30 degree. And again, from the bottom of the house, the angle of elevation of, from the bottom of the house, the angle of elevation of top of the building is found to be 45 degree. Okay, I think till now there is no problem. Okay, you can see this is a house. AB represent the height of the house and CD represent the height of the building, or let's say tower. Okay, this is the building and here is, let's say, E, and from the top of the house the angle of elevations of top of the building is found to be 30 degree, and from bottom of the house while observing the top of the building it was found to be 45 degree. So the question asked, okay, if the distance between the building and the house is 100 meter, okay, what is the height of the house? So all of you, please, our duty is to find height of the house. Okay, we are going to find the height of the house. So please follow me, all of you. Let AB and CD be the height of house and building respectively, where angle of elevation are CAE, angle CAE and angle of elevation are CAE and CBD. Okay, these are the angle of elevation. Now here the questions has given BD, which is 100 meter. The distance between house and building is 100 meter. Now we need to find the height of the house. To find AB, to find height of the house, that is AB. Now, first of all, what we can do is, first of all, you can take the right angle triangle CBD. Okay, let's take the right angle triangle CBD. In triangle CBD, okay, if you will take the triangle CBD, okay, which contains 45 degree. Now we know that tan 45 degree means height by distance. Okay, height means CD and base means BD. So tan 45 means 1, CD means we don't know, and BD means 100. So by doing cross multiply, okay, we can get CD, which is 100 meter. Now go to the triangle which contains 30 degree, that is triangle CAE. In triangle CAE, okay, now here if you will take the tan ratio, okay, if you will take the tan ratio, this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. If you will take the tan ratio, so tan 30 degree means CE by AE. So tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3, and CE means we don't know, and AE means 100 meter. So please be careful. Okay, when this is 100 meter, this is also 100 meter. Now from here you can get the value of CE. That means how much will be CE? CE will be 100 by root 3. 100 divided by root 3. Now use the calculator. Now we got CE and we got CD. Now from CD, if you'll subtract CE, then we can get ED, and ED means the height of the house, that is AV. Okay, in this way we can easily find. So somebody please help me, how much you got the answer? Okay, very good. Now here I got the answer 42.27. So I hope that everybody have understood, okay, this type of question. Now let's move to the next question, all of you. Okay, right now just I am making the figure myself, okay, but later on you have to make the figure yourself. Okay, today just I'll make the figure myself, but from next class, okay, just I'll provide the questions where you have to make the figure yourself. So now let's move to the next question. Now the next questions is related to complementary angles. Please follow me, all of you. Complementary angles. Subeksha, do you know what is the meaning of complementary angles?
Having the sum 90 degrees.
Very good. A pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree. Okay, so complementary angle means, okay, such pair of angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So if one angle is 40 degree, the next angle will be 90 minus 40. Okay, which will be 50 degree. If one angle is 60 degree, the next angle will be 90 minus 60. If one angle is, let's say, 20 degree, the next angle will be 90 minus 20 degree. So if one angle is theta, the next angle will be 90 minus theta. So what we need to understand is, okay, the questions will say complementary angles. So in this case, so angles it won't be given. So we need to suppose the angle by theta and 90 minus theta. So complementary angles when given in the question, then we have to suppose by theta and 90 minus theta. Okay. So please all of you be careful. Theta and 90 minus theta. So now let's talk about the questions. Okay. How the questions will be asked. This is the height of a building, or let's say tree. AB is a tree. Okay. Height of the tree. Now we have one student which is let's say 16 meter away from the building. Sorry, tree. Okay, this is 16 meter, and the next is uh, the next student is uh, this is 16 meter, right? Please, all of you. This is 16 meter. C. Okay, and the D. Okay, it is 36 meter. Let's say. Okay, I am sure that everybody have understood what I have written. There is C, which is 16 meter, and there is D, which is 36 meter away from the foot of the tree. This is tree. Now, okay, from C and from D, when the top of the tree are observed, then it was found to be complementary angles, the questions will say. Okay, so let's say here we have C. C means Christie. Okay, Christie observed. Okay, and next is D. D means Deson observed. So while Christie observed the top of the tree, and while Deson observed the top of the tree, it was found to be complementary angles. So here, what are the informations given in the questions? Once again, please let me tell you. Christie is 16 meter away from the foot of the tree. Deson is 36 meter away from the foot of the tree, and the angle was found to be complementary angles. Okay, so complementary angle means one angle will be theta, and next angle will be 90 minus theta. So in this way, we have to suppose the angle. Okay, complementary angle means one angle is supposed by theta, and next angle is supposed by 90 minus theta. So let's write on all of you. Let's write down. Okay, please directly, let's not start from the right angle triangle. I love you. Let AB be the HEIGST height of the tree where angle of elevation ELEVATIO elevation are ACB and ADB. Okay, angle of elevation are ACB and ADB. Now, since the complementary angle is given, so here angle formed by the Deson is supposed as theta. ADB I have supposed by theta, and angle ACB, which is made by Christie, is 90 minus theta. Okay, I hope everybody you have understood. Now here Christie is 16 meter away from the tree. Sorry, BC is 16 meter, and Deson, okay, Deson is 36 meter away from the foot of the tree. So Christie is 16 meter away from the foot of the tree, and Deson is 36 meter away from the foot of the tree. I am sure everybody you have understood. Now let's go to the right angle triangle. First of all, let's start from theta. Okay, so triangle which is formed by Deson, triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. So triangle ADB means tan theta. Deson, please tell me tan theta means how much?
Sir, AB by DB.
AB by DB. DB means 36. So I hope that everybody have understood. Okay, I have taken tan theta. Tan theta means AB by DB. Just now Desan said. So AB by 36 directly I have written. So leave it because we don't know the angle. So now let's go to the triangle which is formed by Christie. So triangle ACB. Triangle ACB. So triangle ACB. Okay. Now let's take tan 90 minus theta because the angle formed by Christie is tan 90 minus theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta. So Christie, tell me, tan 90 minus theta means how much it will be? Christie,
Sir,
how much it will be? Tan 90 minus theta means, because 90 minus theta is the angle which is formed there. So what is the perpendicular? What is the base?
AB by BC.
Very good. AB by BC. BC means 16 meter. So I have directly written AB by BC. So if anybody, if you have problem, please let me know. Anybody? We have any questions to ask, please let me know. Okay, first of all, we went to tan theta. Then tan theta means P by B. Then we went to 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta means AB by 16. Now, we know that tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Because we know tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Because 90 degree means 1 into 90 degree, it lies on first quadrant, and there is odd number, so odd number means changes. So this much we got. Now after this, now we don't need cot, so cot means I'll write 1 by tan. This much we got. Okay, now the value of tan theta we can replace from here. Okay, so I'll do this side. So the value of tan theta, okay, tan theta means AB by 16. Equals to AB by, oh sorry, AB by 36, not 16. And in the RHS, there is AB by 16. So if you will do reciprocal, 36 will go in the numerator. Now cross multiply. AB and AB becomes AB square. 36 is multiplied to 16. So square becomes square root of 36 into 16. So square root of 36 into 16 becomes 24. So the height of the tree is 24. See, all of you please see what I have done. I don't know whether you have understood or not. Now let's do one thing. I'll show you one questions of similar type. which you are going to do. Complementary angles, okay? Where is complementary angle? Okay, all of you please do question number 6A. Question number 6A, all of you. Miss Sakina, will you please read the question 6A?
The angles of elevation of the top of a tower as observed from the distance of 4 meter and 16 meter from the foot of the tower are complementary. Find the height of the tower.
Okay, my dear students, let's start this question. So the question said the angle of elevation of top of the tower. So there is a tower. There is a tower. Let's say this is the tower. Okay, and the name of the tower is AB. And the tower is observed from, first of all, 4 meter. So let's say this is the 4 meter. Then again it is observed from 16 meter. So this is 16 meter. The total is 16 meter, right, please? This is 16 meter. So first of all, same like Christie and Deson, okay? Now it is 16 meter, it is 4 meter. So it was found to be complementary angle. So here while observing, it was found to be complementary angles. So this is theta and one is 90 minus theta. So anyone you can write theta and 90 minus theta. So here let's say I'm writing theta and this is 90 minus theta. So all of you please do this question. I'm waiting, my dear students. Please do fast. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, from Desan and Archia. Very good. Nice. So now we'll move to question number 6B, all of you. Question number 6B. Mr. Desan, will you please help me? Once read the question, Desan.
Two lamp posts are 200 meters apart and height of one is double of the other. From the midpoint of the line joining their feet, an observer finds the angle of elevation of their tops to be complementary. Find the height of both the posts.
Tell me, what did you understand? Once explain.
Sir, there are two lampposts of 200-meter apart, and one of the height is
200
double
meters
of the
apart means
another.
what? What is the meaning of 200 meters apart?
Sir, the distance is
Distance between the two lampposts are 200 meters, okay? And one lamppost is double of other, okay? One lamppost is double of others. And from the midpoint, that means from the middle of between these two lampposts, it was found to be complementary angles, okay? So the question is asked, what is the height of the lamppost, okay? So all of you, please, let's try this question. So let's go to the questions, okay? There is the two lamppost, okay? One lamppost is this and one lamppost is this. Okay, there are two lampposts where one lamppost is double of next lamppost, and they are 200 meters apart. So this is 200. This is 200. So the question said one lamppost is double. So I'll write here x and I'll write here 2x. Okay, so let's say this is Bn, this is SP. Did you understand, Mr. Desan?
Yes, sir.
Why I have written Bn and SP? Do you know why I have written Bn and SP?
No, sir.
Bn means Bisal Newpane, SP means Hemant Pradhan. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one is x, one is 2x. Now from the midpoint, so let's say Desan is here. Okay, Desan is here. I'll write here Desan, D, and Desan is in the middle. So this will be 100 meter and this will be 100 meter. Because the distance between the two lampposts is 200 meter. So it will be 100 meter. Now Desan observed the one lamppost and Desan observed the next lamppost. It was found to be complementary angle. So one angle will be theta and the next angle will be 90 minus theta. So all of you, please, now let's enjoy. So remember, here is x and yes, please.
Once, can you show the question again?
Question, please. Two lampposts are 200 meters apart. You can see or not? Two lampposts are 200 meters apart. One is double of other. From the midpoint, angle is found to be complementary. So this is the important part, okay, which I have highlighted. दुईटा ल्याम्पपोस्टहरू 200 मिटरको डिस्टेन्समा बसेका छन्। एउटा अलि अग्लो छ, एउटा अलि होचो छ, तर एउटाको हाइट भन्दा अर्कोको हाइट ठ्याक्कै डबल छ। one is double of other, र त्यो दुईटा ल्याम्पपोस्टको ठ्याक्क बिचबाट दुईटै ल्याम्पपोस्टलाई हेर्दाखेरि कम्प्लिमेन्ट्री एंगल बन्यो। Okay, so I am sure you have understood. You can see there are the two lampposts. One is x, I have suppose, one is 2x, I have suppose, and the lamppost, their distance is 200 meter. So from the midpoint means now, let's say Desan is in the midpoint. So Desan is 100 meters away from both the lamppost. So while observing both the lamppost, okay, it was found to be complementary angle. So one angle is theta, one angle is 90 minus theta. So if you will take tan theta, Okay, first of all, write the informations. Okay, please write the language. Language plays the important role. Let Bn and Sp be the height of the two lampposts. Okay, in this way we have to write. Let Bn and Sp be the height of the two lampposts, where the angle of elevation are HDP and BDN. Okay, which equals to theta and 90 minus theta respectively. So now if you'll take tan theta means Hemant Pradhan by 100. Tan theta. Okay, tan theta means Hemant Pradhan by 100. Then if you'll go to the next triangle, tan 90 minus theta. Okay, I am taking tan 90 minus theta, but you can take cot 90 minus theta also. Tan 90 minus theta means Vishal Neupane by 100. Tan 90 minus theta means Vishal Neupane divided by 100. So tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Okay, cot theta means x by 100. So cot theta means 1 by tan. Or like this also we can write all of you. So if cot theta is x by 100, tan theta will be 100 by x. In this also use the common sense. Okay, because we have learned in the smaller classes, in class 8. Cot bhaneko x by 100 भयो भने tan bhaneko 100 by x हुन्छ, because they are reciprocal with each other. Okay, now the value of tan theta you can substitute from the first equation. So tan theta means 2x by 100. So here we can write 2x by 100. 2x by 100 equals to 100 by x. So if you will do cross multiply, it will be 2x square equals to 10000. So x square will be 5000. So x will be under root 5000. So somebody please help me to find the value of x, which is the height of
70.71.
how much?
70.71.
70.71. This is the height of the smaller lamppost, which represent our Vishal Neupane. Now please let's find the Hemant Pradhan also. Hemant Pradhan will be multiplied by 2. So which will be 141.42. Subhaksha, did you understand? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way of finding the height of the two lampposts. Okay, where the question is related to complementary angle. Complementary angle भनेपछि नजुक्किने भाइ बहिनी हो. One angle is theta, next angle is 90 minus theta. So please be careful, all of you. So now let's do one thing, my dear students. So we are going to do some question. Oh, why this is not? How to go back? How to go back? Yeah. Okay. So my dear students, okay, we have discussed about lots of questions, okay, already from the height and distance. Now what you can do is, please go to your textbook, okay, and please at least try question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there you can see the words problem. Okay, first of all, read the questions for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, okay, until you understand. Then try to figure out it. Okay, so how to make the figure, whether the question is related to building, tower, please try to understand and make the figure and write necessary language. Then take the right angle triangle and please find it. Okay, that is your homework, all of you. So your assignment is to do at least 2-3 questions. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 questions from your textbook, from the height and distance, because from your one question is 100% sure. Okay, which will be action 4 marks. So all of you, please, your duty is to do the questions from your textbook. So we'll meet in the next class. Okay, till then, thank you, all of you. Goodbye. Have a good day. And don't miss the next class also. Thank you. Response